Hi, in this video we're going to show you a way that you could back up and restore your default app settings in Windows. So it's a free tool called Default Programs Manager. So when you go to their website you could download it and just run it. It says it's for Windows 10, but it works for Windows 11 as well. Okay, so for an example here, so we have this manual here. It's a PDF file, so we open it. Opens with Acrobat Reader, no problem. Okay, so we have the settings where we want them. So we're going to click on Save Current Defaults. So it's going to save it to the config. All right, so now let's go into the settings here. So for PDFs, let's change this to Edge, set as default. Now you can see the icon changes, and if we double click it, it opens the PDF within the Edge web browser. So that's not what we want. So rather than having to go back and figure out where the setting was or if a bunch of things got changed, you can simply come to this program here, click on Restore Saved Defaults. Say yes. Now you can see it's back with Acrobat Reader. And if we go back to the settings, you can see the PDFs are set to open with Acrobat Reader rather than Microsoft Edge. All right, so I'll put a link in the description where you could download Default Programs Manager. Then you could just back up your configuration and then restore it whenever needed. So if you make some changes, you could re-back it up and it'll just overwrite the existing configuration. I didn't see a way that you could actually have multiple backups saved, so it's kind of like an all or nothing type of thing. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.